I'm most excited about this house because we have never gotten to do just this sprawling mansion of a house.
Right.
It's gonna be really cool.
It's gonna be fun.
Toy and Corey, they're a big family, and I think their house has to be comfortable. Toy has a very stressful job, and she wants the bathroom to feel like she's on vacation every day. I just don't think this is
it for them.
for them. Do you feel like a mob boss right now?
No, I need a little more room. This is for the tiny boss.
Yeah.
This is white carpet in the bathroom.
It had a day.
I can't think about it.
It had a day, but its day is done.
It was very custom
It
for
was
its
so
day.
custom, everything about this house. And in the spirit of staying custom, let's completely customize everything. It could be like the swankiest bathroom ever.
I need a sanctuary. So now that is definitely what I need when I come home.
We've got the kitchen with the Spanish tile, and that's our jumping off point for the whole house. Let's make it feel like a Spanish vacation, right?
This will be her retreat.
Imagine if you're walking into the bathroom, something grand.
It's your own little haven.
But not like columns
no,
grand.
no.
Let's completely reconfigure the way the bathroom is laid out. And instead of this weird toilet shower closet combo, let's give a private toilet closet, and then the shower is almost like a room within the room. It's so big.
I think it
great.
sounds like a great idea.
My goal in any renovation we do is to keep the things that are quality and timeless and strip away the things that are not and start over from scratch.
So I think we found a tile that's gonna work. It's big, ceramic, gorgeous, and scored
Yeah.
to look like smaller tiles that are put together.
And I love this pattern because it's a take on a traditional design, but done slightly more modern. It looks almost like a watercolor in a way.
Yeah, so I did render it out so you can see in that
Oh,
bathroom.
wow.
That's pretty awesome.
So for the floor in the shower, this is a large scale marble look. So we could do something more mosaic on the floor.
sure.
These
They
are
talk.
definitely talking.
I love this because then the tile works with the house itself as far as the architecture,
Right.
making it more Spanish style, but then adding a little bit of their personality. It's a beautiful blend of the two styles.
I love this.
I do too.
Yeah.
And then, like, what do we think for a light fixture? Because this has some warmth in it. Let's punch up the gold and the warmth.
I love that, and I love mixing metals. Is going to keep it, again, not look like it all came at the same time, in the same place, in the same year. That tends to kind of date a house. So
Yeah.
let's mix the metals.
I love it. This amazing bathroom comes with a bedroom.
We have the big double doors,
Yes.
you know, that kind of open into that space. So
It's got to be a part of the Spanish
I think
vacation.
it needs to be part of the vacation.
Let's find a way to pull the colors from the tile and the oven nook
That's a
into
great
the
idea.
bedding.
To give
So
them
it's
just
just
a little,
a
Just a
personality.
little bit of color.
I think there's some beautiful carpets that we can do that are a little bit more kind of modern, on point, that kind
Yeah.
of bring in the soft kind of gray green.
To also give that house the kind of elegance
Yeah.
that it should have. Tile is everything in the bathroom. In the White's bathroom, we have 3 different tiles going on. They all have a common thread, which is whites, grays. And then the floor needs to be the star, though, with all of its bold pattern. So the shower just needs to kind of recede and let the floors be the star. All design, it's about taking the story of the people you're designing for or the thing you're designing for and finding a way to make it visual in a beautiful and lasting way.